Hi, welcome back. Today I would like to share with you my seed haul from Baker Creek Company. You may think, why did she order seeds in the middle of summer? Well, this is not my first purchase of the year. Of course, in February I ordered some seeds, but some were out of stock and I decided to wait until they are back again. Also, now is the perfect time to do some fall garden planning. So let's see what I got. And the first one is this spinach called Gigante di Inverno. I guess it means gigantic. And I have grown a gigantic spinach before. It's called Monster of Viverfly. So I'm excited to compare these two. And it says here that it's grown best for fall harvest. I will try to overwinter it here in Zone 5. Next is summer mizuna. I had grown purple mizuna in the spring. It currently is blooming and I'm excited to sow this summer mizuna and see how it does in the middle of summer. I love eating everything spicy, especially wasabi. So I'm excited to try this Japanese wasabi radish. It says here you can sow in small successions for a continuous harvest. So I think I may try growing it in the summer, but I'm not sure yet. Maybe I'll wait till fall. Next one is arugula wasabi. As I said, I love everything wasabi, so I was growing wasabi greens this spring. They're still there, but they're starting to bolt. So I think I'll try growing wasabi arugula soon. Lincoln peas is a very popular choice among gardeners. I don't know how, I haven't tried it yet. This spring I was growing Wando shelling peas and Oregon snow peas, and they're almost done, so I'm excited to try the Lincoln one. And this is another thing that I'm really excited about. It's a Chinese narrow leaf lettuce. I was looking for some slow boiled lettuces and this is one of them. Next one is one of my favorite radishes. I have been growing it for years. It's the traditional round early scarlet globe radish. I just love it. I can't not buy it. And next one is choy, yellow heart winter. It's supposed to be very cold tolerant, so I hope to grow it in my cold frame. And the next one is this giant blue feather leaf lettuce. Really exciting to try it because it's just so great looking. Can you imagine a 4 feet tall lettuce? Yes, that's the thing. Next one is early purple Vienna kohlrabi. I have never grown kohlrabi before, even though I love all of the brassicas, but kohlrabi is this mysterious thing that I'm not sure how it's going to grow, so I'll give it a try and let you know. They gave me Nero de Toscana kale for free, and I'm very happy. I had grown it before and I like it. It overwinters really well. Next, endive de Louvier. I hope I pronounced it right. Never grew it before. I grew another variety of endive, and I'm not sure if I like it as much as other greens, but I'll give this variety a try. Also, another exciting thing is this vibrant ultraviolet mustard. I love mustards, that's why I'm growing Mibuna, Mizuna, and other things. So this is another thing from Brassica family. Great when growing in fall. It even says that you have to plant it in September or October. Now orak. I have been growing a mixed color orak in my garden and I noticed that I am only picking red leaves. So this time I decided to order red leaves seeds only and don't grow another colors. Next is Chinese shower fruit radish. It's called fruit because it's supposed to taste sweet like a fruit. I'm excited to try. Another radish called jantar or Yantar, I'm not sure, but I think it may be Yantar because of the color. This variety is from Poland. Now, I had grown a little marvel pea, which was really compact and small, but this piece, Tom Thumb, is supposed to be even smaller. I'm excited to try it out. Now my favorite greens, mibuna. I love it so much. It grows prolifically and I'm going to plant it again this fall. So there are a lot of seeds over here for fall garden, but some I'm going to plant right now in the summer, like these contender beans. I have some room in the garden right now that the spring vegetables are out, so I ordered I think 7 different varieties of beans, and all of them are bush beans. This is another radish called zlata. I think it's from Eastern Europe. Another version of mizuna. Haven't tried this one yet. I'm excited to see how this one will be. It says it's tolerant of heat and frost, so that's interesting. And scarlet kale. I love scarlet kale. I have been growing it before and I liked it. It actually overwinters in zone 5 really well without any cover. Next one is a garden piece, Lillian's caseload. It's supposed to be very prolific in harvest, so I'm excited to try it and see if it's true or not. When I was planting my cucumbers, I realized I don't have enough pickling cucumbers, and I love making fermented cukes and pickles, so I'm going to plant those Chicago pickles soon. Have you heard of perpetual spinach? Which is not really spinach, it's actually a Swiss chard, but it tastes more like spinach and it grows well in heat, so I'll give it a try. Another beautiful thing is borage, white borage. So I am growing regular blue borage. Right now it is blooming in my garden. It's so beautiful, but I've never seen white borage. When I saw these seeds on the website, I had to get them. Another variety of bush beans. I like bush beans more than the pole beans because I don't have to worry about trellising them. So convenient. Also, this piece, I have been trying to get some purple pod peas for a while, and every time I would go to the store they wouldn't have it, so I needed to order it online. And this piece, it has a regular green pods, but the blossoms are so beautiful. That's why it's called magnolia blossom. Another seed package is red Brussels sprouts. I right now have regular green Brussels sprouts growing in my garden, so I'm excited to try the red one. Bull's blood beets. Haven't tried them yet. I have golden beets and Detroit red growing right now, and these will be going in soon. More kale. My slugs will be happy. Giagallo Nero kale. They say this one is the best tasting kale they've tried. Another radish. This one is called D18 and it's supposed to be ready in 18 days under ideal conditions. So I'm hoping in fall I'll try them out. Bloomsdale long-standing spinach is definitely going to bolt later than other types of spinach. Now more beans. These are yellow wax beans. Haven't tried them yet, but I'm excited to see if they're actually as good as they say. Green beans are always a hit with my kids, so I got a lot of those. And Lunix lettuce, supposed to be heat tolerant, so I'm going to try it in the summer and see how it goes. More beans because they grow so fast. These are bush beans. They require no staking. And slow boiled cilantro. Of course, for summer you need a slow boiled because it's too hot for regular cilantro. Cantare beans, these are Italian. My neighbors love them a lot. And this beautiful kale called Casper should be a great ornamental, so I can plant it up in front. Of course, a regular common arugula because mine is currently bolting. Another zucchini, I have yellow one growing already. Now I need green. Another lettuce that is heat tolerant. Now these beautiful beans have a crazy name, dragon tongue. I hope they don't taste as dragon tongue. Well, they're also bush beans and require no staking. Another radish, I got a ton of radishes, I know, like 8 or 9. This one is purple, one of my favorite colors. Another lettuce, bronze, I haven't had this one yet, excited to try. Titanur purple cabbage is a small head, similar to the one I'm growing right now, called Pixie. Another kale, Trushunda, if I'm pronouncing it right. It's supposed to be like big fleshy leaves. And I'm really happy I got my hands on these seeds. It's a mountain winter celtus lettuce. It reminds me of walking stick kale. China rose radish, supposed to be pink, and pinkish purplish radish called Fusa jamuni. Interested to try both of them. We're almost done, just a few more packages. Komatsuna spinach mustard. This one I wanted to try for a while. I'm glad I finally got it. Another piece, another dwarf variety. I'm hoping to grow it in containers in my fall garden. And this is Long Rouge Sang carrots, purplish. I already have a purple variety. I decided to try this one as well. And this is a Swiss chard that I'm planning to plant now for my fall garden. So here they are, all of my seeds. On the left are the summer seeds that I'm going to plant right now, and on the right are those I'm going to plant a little bit later, like in August, September, for my fall garden. And that's the receipt. I think I spent like $160, but it's all worth it.